Hey people, I'm back with a new video. So in this video we will see what are the properties of window in Dragon programming language. In recent videos we have seen how to make window and make some other components. So let's start. Okay, so first of all we have to include the GUI module for using window in making other components. GUI select. Okay, when new window. So as you know that new window is a predefined class, so we are making an object with the name of when. So this initialization requires a parameter. If you have to declare, if you don't declare, it doesn't require. So we can add the name of title of our window, like I am going to do with my window. If you leave it blank, it will not give you error. It's okay. It will be a window with no title. Okay, when dot set visible. So set visible is a property of window which will make it appear, which will make it show on our screen. If you don't use this property, it will not be shown on your screen. So it is necessary to use this. So this property is not necessarily required the arguments or parameters. If you have to declare, you can use it like false. So the view will be gone, means the window will hide automatically if you use this. You can use true, means visible. Okay, if you don't use anything, it will use the default value as true. Okay, so let's test now. Run the program. I have saved it using the shortcut keys. Okay, so here's the window. It is so small, we can enlarge it. The reason why it is small, no initialization size is declared. So we have to declare a size for our window. Here's the property set size for our window. Set size requires two arguments. First one is width size and second one is height size. So both are the decimal or integer values as per the pixel values. So I want my window size to be 400 and the height to be 400. So let's run it now. As you can see, 400 width and 400 height. Okay, so as the window was open, it was appeared here in starting, so we can drag it to anywhere, but I want it to be open in the middle or somewhere, like in this place when it is initialized, like it is open first. So we can change the opening position, opening location using the property set location. This property also requires two arguments necessarily. So the first one is x-axis size and second one is y-axis size. I want it to be 200 from space from pixel x-axis and 100 from y, like 200 from x and 100 from y. So let's run and see how it works. 200 from x and 100 from y. So the initialization position is changed, so we can drag it to anywhere. Okay, now I want to change the background, so we can change the background color with set background color property. So this property requires three arguments as per the RGB values integer form. So I want to make it black, so the black color has the value 0, 0, 0. So this should be black. Okay, so it is black now, you can see. It looks horrible although, so I'm going to change it to white, which is 255, 255 and 255. Okay, looks good. So I want to change the when we have to create something like a custom window, like we don't want title bar or the buttons in the title bar, so we can remove it using this property, set no title bar. Remember, this language is case sensitive, so every keyword mentioned here in the documentation I am going to mention should be written as it is written here or mentioned, and it is working. So if you try to change like capital to small as they are, so it will give you error. So this property does not require any kind of argument. Set no title bar will remove the title bar of our window. Let's test it. Okay, so there is no title bar. So now when we have to we have removed the title bar, but we want something. We have to make it corner radius. We want to make the radius border radius corners. Okay, so we can do it with set border radius. This property requires 4 arguments. So first one should be the width. It should be exact what you have written in the set size, 400, and similar the height. Second one is height, and third argument is top corner radius size 30, and this one is bottom corner radius, so 30 from top side and 30 in the bottom side. Okay, you can see 30 on top and 30 in bottom. So our windows is looking like this. Okay, so this is enough for this video. We will look further in another video.